This is called grounding dance. In grounding dance, when you have higher exercises in the cardiovascular and you want to ground yourself, you apply the grounding dancing after. So this is called grounding dance. How you do it? Ho, 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 ho. So your knee will go little pumping down and so first ho, ho, and ho, 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 ho. And then take 2 breaths. So gonna take your body down, hanging like this, and you're gonna take a breath in. Here, hold it tightly and exhale. One more time. Take a breath in. Here, and hold it tightly and exhale. 2 more time. Take a breath in. Here, hold tightly and exhale. One more time. Take a breath in. Hold it tightly and exhale. Now we're going to do the next laughter exercise. And this is the, way if you finger somebody, nobody would like it. But if you go with this, is everybody going to greet you in the same manner. But today I'm going to teach you something called laugh and argue at the same time. And this is one of the good laughter exercise when you laugh and argue at the very same time. Okay? So how do you start arguing and laughing with everybody? So how was it? Very good. Very good. Yay! Oh, oh. Oh, oh. Oh, oh. Oh, oh. Oh, oh. It's oh, oh. Oh, oh. Oh, oh. Oh, oh. Oh, oh. Big circle. So be little distance, no problem. We have to make a big circle. Now, this is called the next last exercise is the swinging one. So in this what we do, we all take it like the distance of this. If we have many people, we will touch the hand also, but we will keep the distance, make a big circle. And when I say the first, you have to go with the is the center, and when you go in the center, everybody together, you will take your hand and say, so we will all go walk in the run in the center, and we're gonna say, yeah, yeah. So here is the own practice which I am involved in this swinging one. So everybody be ready. Let's make it little so you all have to go in the center.